welcome to another lawnfawn video. Today we are introducing our die set Tiny Gift Box Bat Add-on. So this bat add-on turns our little tiny gift box into this adorable bat that's perfect for Halloween treats and Halloween decor. The other really cool thing about this add-on is that it works with our mini pop-up box, and we're going to be showing you that in a video tomorrow. So first, let's take a look at all of the pieces in this set. There's a cute little bat face, two styles of wings, some little blush for the cheeks, some bat feet, and a little candy corn as well. The first step is to die cut the tiny gift box. So I'm going to die cut that out of some narwhal cardstock. The die creates these score lines for you, and we're going to go ahead and fold along all of those lines, forming our box. So you'll see there we've got all the lines going kind of straight down the box, and as well as the sides and all of the small tabs. Then we'll add some nice strong tape to the 4 different tabs. We'll peel up that liner paper, and then we can line up those little tabs with the edge of the box, forming the whole box into this kind of cute little cube there. So we're going to just line that up just like that, and then we'll work our way around the box, attaching the edge of the tab to the edge of the box. Once that box is all formed, we can go ahead and tuck in the lid and close the box, and now it's ready for some treats and to be decorated. So here is the bat face, and you'll see that the die has these kind of weird shaped little die pieces there that we've cut in black and white. And those help you fill in the eyes and the mouth and the teeth of this bat. So all you need to do is take that little black piece and you're going to line it up with the top of the bat's head. You'll see that it's going to line up perfectly with that. And then the little white piece has a little curve that fits right into that black piece, just like a puzzle piece. And when you turn your bat over, that's colored in the eyes and the mouth, and then the teeth in the different colors. I think it's just looks adorable. Next up, I'm going to give him some little blush cheeks just like that. And then we're going to work on his wings. So in this case, we're going to use these straight wings, and it's going to go right behind his face, just like that. So I'll just a little bit of glue right in that straight part, right in the middle of the wings, and then I can layer the face right on top. I'm also going to give him his cute little bat feet, which are just adorable. So I'm just going to line those up, and I've die cut that from that same narwhal cardstock. Once I have him all decorated, I can go ahead and add him to the front of the box. I'm just going to add some liquid glue there to the front of the box, and then I can go ahead and layer my little bat face right on top, decorating that box. And now you can see just how cute he is. Oh my goodness, it's just adorable. A great way to present a treat, and also just cute little decor for your mantle. Now I've gone ahead and die cut a box here from some Storm Cloud cardstock, and so I've formed that whole box, and I'm just going to close it there. And then I'm going to work on the face doing the same thing. I'm going to add the little black piece and then fit that white piece in just like a puzzle piece, and that's going to give my little bat his little eyes and his cute little vampire teeth there. We're going to layer our bat right onto the front of the box, and this time we're going to use the wraparound rings. I've die cut them from this awesome sparkle cardstock that comes in the autumn pack, and the die creates a little score line for you. So I've folded along that score line, and I'm just going to add some tape to the front part of those wings. Then I can go ahead and just layer those rings right on the bat. So these are really cute because they wrap around the whole box, and I love that they add a little decor to the side of the box and also have that kind of cool wrap around thing, so it really looks like his wings are going around him. Once I have those wings on there, instead of just adhering the wings to the side this time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little foam dot and put it right behind the wing. And so this is going to give the wing kind of a little popped out look, and you'll see it looks really, really cool when you look at it from the side. So now it's time to work on another little bat. So we've created one out of narwhal again. Here we're going to layer his little bat face right on there, and I'm going to work with those wraparound wings again. So this time I'm going to fold them right along that score line just like we did before. But instead of popping them out this time, I'm going to actually add adhesive around the whole wing and just wrap it completely around him. So you can see there's kind of 2 different looks depending on if you use the foam squares or not. Now the other thing I want this bat to do is hold the little candy corn die that's in the set. So I went ahead and cut the candy corn from some fake tan, sunflower, white, and black licorice cardstock. And so I'm going to take my white candy corn base there, and I'm just going to add some adhesive, and then I'm going to take the black frame and put that down. Then I'm going to add the little colored inserts, so the little yellow insert, and then the orange insert, and then the white insert for the top. And I think this looks so cool. Those little layered die cut pieces really give a nice effect. Then I can take his little wings. I'm going to attach the one wing to the base and then sandwich the little candy corn so it looks like he's holding it. And I think it's just absolutely adorable. The other thing that's included in this set is a little tuxedo for him to wear. So you can layer that right along the bottom there. In this case, I'm going to give him some Sugarplum purple cardstock wings. I'm going to layer that right behind him and then add him to the box. Then one of the things that I love to do with these is fill them with little treats. So candy corn is perfect for these, especially since it's got the little candy corn that he can hold. And so you can see you can add a bunch of treats in there and just close that box just like that. And this would be perfect for like a little Halloween party or maybe a kid's classroom. And then we've got our awesome little candy corn inside. And then here you can see all of the different styles of bats. You can really get creative mixing and matching your cardstocks and the different types of wings to get different looks with these guys. One of my favorite things about this die is it's been sized to work perfectly with our new mini pop-up box die. So now you can create these really awesome pop-up bats on the inside of your card. So I love that this add-on not only works for making those cute little boxes, but it also works for doing these pop-ups. And we're going to be going over how to do this in the intro to mini pop-up box video that's going to be going up tomorrow. So I can't wait to show you guys this. So now that we've seen how to create these awesome little three-dimensional boxes with this die, we thought it would be fun to use this die on a card front instead of on a box. So we've gone ahead and die cut an outside-in stitched rectangle and added a stitched windy backdrop to it. And now we're going to be creating a really cool sky using wilted violet, blueprint sketch, faded jeans, and black soot. And so those colors are all going to kind of go into each other. So we're going to overlap them and then go back and forth between the colors so that we blend the edges. And I love the look of the purple going to the blue, to the dark blue, to the black. Now here we have some pearlized watercolors in purples and blues. We've added a ton of water to make it almost kind of soupy. We're going to pick it up with the paintbrush and then tap the paintbrush to create splatters there. And this is going to create a really cool Halloween night sky for our bat. And I think it's just looking so pretty. And splattering like this is so much fun. If you've never tried it, you definitely have to. So now that we have our sky, we've got to help set the scene. And so we're going to die cut some birch trees from some black licorice cardstock and also a stitched circle from some white cardstock. And we're going to be doing some inking on this circle to make it look like a moon using distress inks as well. So the colors that we're going to use are squeezed lemonade, wild honey, and spice marmalade. And the lightest color is going to be in the center. So we're just going to start in the center there and kind of sponge on that squeezed lemonade ink until we really like the intensity of the color. Then around the edges, we're going to go to the spice marmalade ink, and then we're going to blend between the two of them with the wild honey. And this is going to create a really cool spooky Halloween moon. We've gone back to the squeeze lemonade color just to blend the edges between everything so there's not such a harsh break between the orange and then the yellow. Now, so the moon kind of coordinates with our scene. We're going to do some more splattering, this time with a white pearlized watercolor. And so you'll see how cool that looks. You could use any kind of paints that you have at home, and they're going to look awesome. So there you can see how cool it is. Lots of splatters and lots of fun texture. This bat here is from our Haunted House add-on for our scallop tree box. We went ahead and cut some bats out of Storm Cloud and Black Licorice cardstock. And now we can start to work on our sentiment. So we're going to be working with the Happy, Happy, Happy stamp set, and we're going to stamp that onto some black licorice cardstock and some embossing ink, and then use some white heat embossing powder there on there and heat that up with our heat tool so we have a nice bright sentiment going on that black licorice cardstock. There's also a die for that word, so we're going to go ahead and die cut that. And then we can go ahead and die cut a sentiment banner there from some fake tan cardstock, which is a nice orange cardstock. And we're going to stamp the Halloween from the Happy, Happy, Happy add-on set. And I love how these two are going to match together with the kind of traditional black and orange Halloween colors. So now we're going to work with our little bat face, and because we're just going to be using the front of his face, we're just going to trim off right along the fold line of those wings so we just have the front part of the wings. So right around that score line that the die creates, we're just going to use our scissors and trim off the fronts of those wings. Then we're going to add some cute little rosy cheeks out of some Ballet Slippers cardstock, and then we can layer those little wings right on there. And then we're going to give him a cute little candy corn there to hold as well, which is just so sweet. Then we're going to take his little feet and we're going to add that to the bottom of his face, and they're going to be kind of sticking out below his face because he's going to be holding on to a branch in our scene. And I think this look is so cute when you see those cute little feet on there. Now it's time to layer that awesome sky onto a standard size card base at 5.5 by 4.25. And then we're going to take that moon, place it where it needs to go, and then just use a pencil line to trim off what should be cut off. So that way we can do it in our paper trimmer. So we'll just add some pencil lines just like that, and then line those pencil lines up in the trimmer so that we can trim off any excess of that moon. I love how cool this is looking right in that corner. Now we're going to add a little glue to our happy so that it lays right on top of that banner. Add some foam tape to the back of that banner after we've trimmed off any of the excess, and then we can lay that right onto the card. We'll add some foam tape to the back of that birch tree and lay that on the card horizontally so that the bat can hang off of it, and we'll trim off any excess there. And then we can take that cute little bat face and add some foam tape to the back of him and then layer him onto that branch. And now he's going to be hanging upside down from that. And oh my goodness, I don't know why, but this just makes me smile so much. He's so adorable right there. To help fill in the seam, we're going to add some die cut bats, and also that cute little spider that's in our cute cobweb die set is going to be hanging off the branch along with his little bat friend. And then the last thing is just adding some black glitter stickles there to the branch just to give it a nice spooky feel and have it kind of coordinate with the nice shininess that we have on the card's background. We'll add a little bit to the spider as well. And look how fun and cute this is. I love that we're adding something that's meant to create a box onto a card front. It's so much fun. So we've talked about creating boxes and also card fronts, but Shari had this awesome idea to create ornaments as well. So we're going to go ahead and create cool little ornaments to go onto a spooky tree. So we're giving him his little tuxedo there, and then we've given him his little eyes and teeth, and of course some rosy cheeks as well. We've cut some wings from the new sparkle cardstock in that awesome purple color, and we'll layer our bat face right on top. Then we're going to add a big glue dot to the back of the bat and take some black and white lawn trimmings and just layer that right onto the glue dot. And then add some more glue to those wings and layer some purple wings there, and then layer our other bat face on top. That way there's a bat on either side since these are going to be little ornaments hanging. Then we're going to take some fun little googly eyes. You can get these at your local craft store, usually in the kids section, and we're going to layer the googly eyes over the eyes on both the back and the front. I think they're just adorable with those Google eyes on them. And now you can see how cute all of these fun little ornaments are. They're just adorable. They have them on the front and back, and I think this would be a really cute gift and really cute decor for your home. So there's a little spooky tree just from our local craft store where you can find some Halloween decor, and just how sweet are those little bats hanging on there. I just love them so much, and those googly eyes make me laugh every time. So here we have some awesome examples from the design team, and these bats by Nicole are so sweet. Look at those little eyelashes that she drew on them. They're just adorable. I love how they perfectly fit a truffle too. I love how Letitia added the bat wings to a tote bag and put a little ghost peep in there. It's absolutely adorable. Kay turned the little bat claw on its side so he could be holding the candy corn, and oh my goodness, it's so cute. I love Elena's stack of bats. How fun are these? And they're ready to put little tiny treats inside. Melissa got super creative and used a rainbow colors of cardstock to create these awesome colorful bats that are perfect for decor. And then this little banner by Yanea, oh my goodness, I am absolutely in love with it and I want to make one just like it. So I cannot wait to see what you guys create with this awesome tiny gift box bat add-on, so make sure to share it with us. Thank you so much for watching today and have an absolutely amazing day. Bye!